Cosmo here, about to let you in on an industry secret. If you're looking for that off-road tire that looks and plays the part, well, pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. What's a tiger without its stripes? Yeah, you guessed it, a lion. And I ain't lying when I tell you that these tires ran quieter on the highway than those major brands that are costing me 3 times as much. No matter what. If I'm clawing through that mud swamp or powdered sand, that mud kicker gripped and ripped right over, getting me to where I want to go. These tires look good too. That block tread with patented shoulder design, enhanced with that big grip, giving it that I'm the wrong one to be messing with type of aggressiveness. Oh look, that makes my Jeep stand out. No wonder it's the first ever mud-rated designated tire. Officially Cool Cat approved. Cool Cat approved. Cool Cat approved.
She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her mattress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. play it, it don't stop. Time into the clock, yeah. Hands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? Indies taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah. Yeah, it's top 10. Hey, nah. Put G.O.D. first and nothing less, no. On they radar, per release, per request, yo. Life is like a dice game, that's a bet though. Is you bugging, that's a dub. Shoulder shrug to the stub. Tell them hit the squatty up. See a line of cars meet up. Nah, don't bother us. Windows fogging up.
Cool cat approved.
I just had to leave. It was weird, I'm so shy. You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're around. You are the hottest boy in town. I'm dreaming of a kiss from you and hoping it will all be true. But this is my imagination and it's real to me. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it did happen and to me into a wreck. It got me thinking, but I found the solution. You always make me blush so hard.
engine roaring, feel the bass. Mud getting slung all over the place. Four-wheel low, yeah, let us slide. The mud kickers grip and ride. Mud kicker, tearing up the ground. Rolling through the backwoods, slinging that brown. Mud kicker, never getting stuck. Digging down deep while we crank it up. Mud kicker, top road down light. Mud kicker, Cosmo got it right.
Look, everybody got prices and other vices. I took a chance through the dices and got a nice hit. Was on the clock with security running the night shift. And then I got a DM or some change in your life. Then I wait for it and then I pray for it. I just be hoping it ain't tain't what I paid for it. They say you never be as pure as your first form, and sights never be as clear as you first saw them. That's why I'm elevating and constantly meditating. Gotta keep my mind right, not waiting on hindsight. I never sacrifice the art for the limelight. Ain't no surround with who only show the highlights. I spent 20-some years in the twilight, and I swear look a whole lot like the spotlight. Really,
it's a lot of money on the line for this. If we get everybody jumping in the crowd, my partner said he probably put somebody in the ground for this. We used to talk about it, but I leave it now. Now I need $100,000 for my car for this.
Cat approved.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our third annual Cool Cat Ambush. As you can see, it's been another incredible, amazing event. We've had beautiful, amazing cars, off-road cars, rigs, muscle cars. Amazing. We look forward to next year. People are already getting excited, asking for dates. And now we just announced that May 3rd, we will be in Tampa for our first Tampa Ambush. And we got several people from here that are going to make the trip. And we truly appreciate that. Again, we're coming to you live from the home of Cosmo Tires, the best tire in the industry, baby. See you soon.
Cosmo Tires!
light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Hello, I'm Himothy. I got the recipe. I got the flow. I got the remedy. I know they do. I know they envy me. Feet on the floor. What they gon' say now? We came along from last place, bottom to top of the fast pace. Out of this surf, I get touchdown. I take a loss, get it back, ayy. I'm in the gym putting numbers up. You're never there, you got bad traits. Never excuses or cover-ups. Learn from the losses and bad breaks. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win.
Cat approved.
Cosmo Tires lives in your area. We work hard to make sure we give our retail partners great service.
I'm walking the tightrope, baby. I'm doing my best to hold the line. Baby, I'm halfway through to cross the border now. I'm walking the tightrope, baby. I'm doing my best to hold the line. Drifting off the shoreline, baby. I'm halfway through to
Cat approved. Cat approved.
She told me that things was gonna change. If I wanted her, I couldn't stay the same. So I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Yeah, everything she asked, I left in the past just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated. She told me to top off her Jeep, the one I bought her when I sold my old GT. And I bumped in to my good friend, and he asked me where the hell had I been. So I told him what she
Cat approved. to prove.